नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे HDFC बैंक vs ICICI बैंक vs Yes Bank vs RBL Bank, which stock to buy after Q3 result 2026. HDFC Bank vs ICICI Bank vs Yes Bank vs RBL Bank. According to expert, HDFC Bank posted robust growth while ICICI Bank reported steady earnings. Yes Bank paid surged by over 50% and RBL Bank's performance remained stable. HDFC Bank Q3 result, the private lender capital adequate and ratio remain robust as 19.9% with a Tier 1 CAR of 17.8%. Assist qualities is healthy with gross NPA at 1.24% and net NPA at 0.42%. HDFC Bank vs ICICI Bank vs Yes Bank vs RBL Bank. Aimed speculation of a consumer-oriented Union Budget 2026. Banking measure reported strong Q3 result 2026 last Saturday. The Nifty 50 heavyweight HDFC Bank Q3 result were strong, whereas ICICI Bank's earnings were steady in Q3 financial year 2026. Other private lender Yes Bank and RBL Bank also reported impressive Q3 numbers. It may become difficult for some stock market investors to decide which of these stocks to buy after the Q3 result in 2026. According to stock market expert, HDFC Banks has reported strong Q3 result 2026 driven by robust revenue and YoY paid growth, while ICICI Bank reported steady growth driven by a rise in deposit and paid during the October to December 2025. Qatar Yes Bank reported impressive Q3 result 2026 which a 50% YoY jumps in paid, while RBL Bank reported stable Q3 earnings and raised in operating profit. Q3 result 2026 preview. According to HDFC Bank Q3 result 2026, Sima Srivastava, senior research analyst at SMS Global Security, says HDFC Bank Q3 results show strong performance with net revenue growing 8.9% YoY to 45,870 crore and profit after tax increasing 11.5% YoY. The bank's capital adequacy ratio remains robust at 19.9% with a Tier 1 CAR of 17.80%. Asset quality is healthy with gross NPA at 1.24% and net NPA at 0.42%. Thank you.